Hello friends, I am Catherine and we are going to be trying a puddle pour today, and this will be attempt number 2. I have got those purple colors that we saved from yesterday's puddle pour, and I've mixed up a little bit of red because I want to do a little bit of red with them. I think that might look kind of fun. And we're going to be doing it a little bit different today in that I went to the dollar store and picked up some auto lubricant. So here we go, toss these over here real quick and take our auto lubricant and just add some of that to each of those. Hopefully that's not too much. We'll see how it goes. And then just mix that in real quick. Hopefully nice and mixy. All the way through, all 3 of them, but not too much. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. I haven't tried this before. It's an experiment. We're trying something. We're seeing how it works. Because if this works, we might be onto something. All right, so let's start our first color with the dark purple. There we go. And then let's lay some of the lighter purple over top of that. And then some of the red. And then maybe slowly go back in with a little bit less dark purple. And a little bit less light purple. And a little bit less red. And then set those colors off to the side. And just swirl this around to the corners and see where we end up. Let's go out to this corner first. Ooh, this is pretty runny actually. I put water on the canvas to begin with to see how that was going to work out. Not sure I like it. We'll see how it goes. This is kind of Dr. Seussy, if you know what I mean when I say that. It's sort of Dr. Seussy, like stripes and colors in primary things. All right, all the way down to that corner and off and there. That's pretty fun, but I think maybe we want another layer of colors in there. And then we can swirl that around real quick. We'll see how that goes. Right out to our edges and then around in that direction maybe. And then maybe just back this way. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Bring it off the edge a little bit perhaps. There we go. And that's kind of fun. I probably will be painting over this one. This paint definitely ended up thinner than I intended, and I'm getting patches where I'm definitely showing through to the canvas. So I should mix it thicker next time. But, well, you live and you learn. And it's definitely spottier than previous attempts, which is fun. We'll see how it goes. I suppose we could always just pile more paint on it. And then maybe go in that direction. Ooh, that edge right there is kind of fun looking. And I need more right in this corner. And maybe going in that direction some. I don't know, I should probably stop. I should probably learn to call it quits. Oh well. Eh. Well, that's what I did today. If you like it, definitely let me know. I suppose I'll have to see how it dries. I'm not sure how I feel about it. I think I'll have to just wait and see how it dries. But if you like it, I'd be happy to hear from you. And I put up new videos every day, so there's always something new to see. And other than that, just remember to subscribe, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.